In today's scenario, we are going to look up two different ways to find either a product or a ticket under a customer's name. So in the first scenario, which is going to be different than the weekly assignment, I'm going to use two different examples and show you two different ways to look up the tickets, either by using your dashboard or by using Order Monitor and Find Product. So let's get started. So when looking at your dashboard, on your left-hand side under your navigation pane, you look under Business Intelligence, and you go under the folder titled Countered Sales, and you can pick Cashier Dashboard. That's the dashboard I've been using throughout the weekly trainings that we've been creating each week. So the first scenario I'm going to use is a customer comes in, it's going to be a subcontractor's helper, and they do not know the customer's name, but all they know is that on the ticket there's a 2x4 8-foot treated, and there's 200 of them. So first I'm going to use our dashboard here, and I'm going to click on Find Order. Under Find Order, I'm going to change these drop downs. First, it would be the first one all the way to the left to all order types, and then I'm going to change the next one to product code. Knowing that it's a 2x4 8-foot treated, I'm going to type in 2x4 8-foot treated, and knowing that it's possibly a will call, the status will be picking. So we're going to pick this first one. We have a few of them to pick from. I'm going to pick the most recent one. When I press open, I'm going to see that this one was 151. So knowing that that's not the ticket, I'm going to go into the next one, press open, and the quantity is 200. Verify the name, and this should be the ticket that that helper is here to pick up. The next scenario is going to be the subcontractor's helper comes in, knows the customer's name. So we're going to go under Find Orders, and we're going to type in the customer's name, which will be David Petrie. And that name populates right here, and then I'll press Open Order just to verify all the items on the ticket. Again, this is a will call. They paid cash. We're going to make sure these are the right quantities, and we can go ahead and confirm pickup whenever they leave the store. Now, in these scenarios, I am using the dashboard, but for the stores that are not under Sulfur but might need to look up under their warehouse, we're going to be looking up all branches. So to do that, we are going to go under the same item, 2x4 8-foot treated, and we're going to look up just the item itself, but by using products. So under Views on the left-hand side, we're going to go to Find Products. When you click on Find Products, knowing that we're looking up a 2x4 treated, and you press Go, it'll populate that item. The one thing you want to make sure is that when you're looking them up, make sure you're looking them up under the distribution center, meaning you're looking up all distribution centers for that particular order. We have all locations. When we click Go, 2x4 8-foot treated appears. You right click, and what we're going to do is we're going to look up products purchased by. And then we'll make sure the branch we know is Sulfur. Let's just say we do not know the branch. We'll put it to all branches and press Go. So here it's showing all the tickets that have a 2x4 8-foot. We know the quantity is 200. So I'm going to scroll over to my right and look for a ticket that has a quantity of 200. We can see here David Petrie. I can right-click this ticket, click Related Documents, highlight the sales order, and open the ticket. And again, this is just another way of looking up a ticket by just the product code. Now, if we're looking up just by the customer's name, we can also view it by Order Monitor. Order Monitor will be at the very top ribbon. We'll click on Order Monitor. And let's move this to all branches. And we're going to type in the customer's name, David Petrie. By doing that, you see the ticket populates right here at the bottom. Right click, and we can open up Related Documents, and again, open the ticket. And again, we're doing that just to make sure all the items are on the ticket, and this is the correct amount needed for that order pickup. Again, that concludes our training, so practice what you've learned.